Campground is right in there, and we're going to take this trail up about a mile to an overlook. It's not a very long hike, but it is up. And what a view behind us. Starting to get a view out. Campground and orchards down there. Our view over there keeps getting bigger. And looks like we're about to come up to something a little in the shadow, but we're going to be walking right along this big cliff for a bit. Oh yeah. Big crack in the rock up there. And we are heading in this way, it looks like. Looks like we're hiking out this way for a while. Wow. We might just go down in here. I don't know. This is what we came for right here. Wow. This is really fun to walk in. Unreal. There's a water pocket. There's water down in there. You can see it there. Crazy hoodoo. Well, it's back to the highway just a little ways out there, so we're going to turn back here. There's a spur trail to the overlook just a little ways behind us. So we just come up from there and across this little field, and what an overlook. Fantastic. Okay, from here it's back the way we came. So we will see you next time.